It says we are streaming. Let me flip that up so you guys can see what's going on. It's your boy Nick, HOUTX Trader, also as the Big Tuna. Hey, guys, in the description below, or excuse me, in the comments, I'm going to put a link to my dot card, which has, putting it in here now, Control V, ding. It has a link to the servers that I use, the broker, the Discord, the funded, the whole 9 yards, guys. So if you click on that link there, that's to buy everything. Okay, guys, this is also just for training. This is not for financial advice. Let me close all this stuff down. Okay, here we go. The dirtiest of 30. Let's start off with NAS. Okay, guys. So this morning, we were looking to hopefully sell in here, and it would hold this area, which was this kissing candle, and it was also the fib. Unfortunately, that did not work out. Sometimes it's hard to catch the bull by the horns, and guess what? I took an L today. Actually, I just went ahead and closed. If we played this fib here to here, yeah, it hit stop loss. I actually closed that earlier. I saw it going, and I just saw it not stopping, so I just pulled the plug early and did not take the full L. But hey, no strategy is perfect, and we took an L today. It happens. The really shitty part was on Tuesday, I was trying to buy here, took an L here, just for it to turn around and miss my second entry by however many pips that was. So that's 2 L's back to back. I absolutely hate when that happens. But I mean, it is what it is. We did, again, with our strategy, we are looking for liquidity to be taken and then a turnaround, which would have been right there. But unfortunately, it got me. And honestly, I think that I pulled this fib on my broker top to bottom, and that was a 78.6. So if I would have been looking and marking my broker as opposed to this trading view, perhaps I would have gotten in that trade. Again, it's not guaranteed, but it is what it is. So right now, with the way the price is, we're still in this fib. So this buy zone down here is still very valid. All right, so we're going to leave that there because this has not set a new top. Hasn't set a new high. Even if it does set a new high, I'm just going to drag this over because right now there is no structure inside of here. So what I'd want to see is this pullback, this set up a structure thing, a wick up, holding this as the swing high, and then we sell off, or the exact opposite. We come down and we do the exact same thing. And then from here, we come down, we can fib this, and then we push up, okay? So really right now, I'm waiting for this to settle back out and give us some sort of structure we can play off of. Right now, we can't short because there's no structure to the left. It's just all-time highs. You can play the whole double top if you want to. It's not a bad call. Lots of millions of people play double tops, but know that you're entering in with everyone else in the world, and there's a possibility that this market's just going to come right back up and smash through your stop loss before it comes back down. So I'm not playing that. For me, there is really no trade right now on NAS. We just get rid of all this. The only trade that would be the double top, which I don't see. And then, of course, so there's really nowhere for me to catch a sell. All right. And therefore the buy is down here, and that's not tomorrow. It's just not there. Unfortunately, look, it broke the trend line, and it just was a runaway train. It happens, guys. So for me, there's no trade for NAS tomorrow. Dirty 30, same thing, man. Broke all-time highs. So there is no structure left off. We can't sell. The only thing we can do then is look for, like if this was the, I don't want to use that. Let's delete this. Delete this. If this was the order block area right here that led to this, we can then try to trade one of these down, and this back up. But again, that might not be tomorrow. Okay, so this would be one of those. I like to see structure, and unfortunately, there is no structure to be had there. This would be just a straight fib move. The fib I would be buying if I was to do this there at the 88 and then playing it off. I don't think that's going to happen tomorrow. So it's probably just the end of the week. It's probably just going to go sideways. Everyone had their fun today. Today was the day with news. It went. So if you guys were with me this morning, I was calling out shorts to sells here, and we actually had an opportunity to get out of the trade. If we come back down to the 1 hour, it pushed off, and then it came all the way back down to this entry. So this would have been the support turn resistance. There would have been the resistance area. It broke above, came all the way back, and actually put me in a small amount of profit for a short period of time, and then went all the way up. I decided to deleverage as that was happening. And when it started to push back up to the top, I just got out of the trade altogether, and therefore I didn't take a full loss. I started to scale out instead of being hard-headed and hold the whole thing and get smashed. So that was a smart call by me, but it wasn't the smartest call to enter. Again, guys, what I should remember, what I'm going to log in my book today is I should have, it's hard to catch, it's hard to grab the bull by the horns. If we're in a bull market, maybe we should be, I wouldn't say only looking for buys, but we definitely need to have a buy bias, right? And that bit me. So I took not a full L on NAS and not a full L on US 30, but I mean, that was 2 L's right there. And I took an L the other day on fucking NASDAQ on Wednesday. So it is what it is. I'm still in these shorts for gold, and I'm probably right about break even now. As you see, gold just went sideways all day today. So there's really nothing there for gold. I'm in a sell currently, and I do believe I have a limit up here at the 78.6 in this area. So if that hits, I will be in there. And then again, my stop loss is up here. It's kind of a large stop loss, but again, if you look at how many pips that is, it's quite a few pips, man. It's a 2-to-1. It's a shitty R to R, but you're looking at 600 pips if it does hit. If it doesn't hit, and then there's nothing saying that we can't start to scale out 500 and something pips. So I'm in a trade here, and this is on the trend line, guys. I mean, if you look, you could call that the trend, or you could call this the trend there. But, I mean, it's right there. I mean, this thing is primed to sell off. We did have, let me delete some of this stuff to clean it up. We did have this area. I'm not even going to use that. I'm going to use this. We had this double top in that area there. So you can see, if you play the zones, we had support, broke through, resistance, broke through, support. You guys get the picture, right? Broke through, right? It just kept doing this. Resistance, right? Resistance. So now what? Is it going to find a resistance one more time, or is it going to break above it and screw all these people and then come down? I kind of like that option better. I kind of like that it goes up, screws everyone, and then comes down. This is gold. It's known for doing that. Hey, so if it does that, I'll jump in the party right up here at the 78.6, maybe just a few pips short. If it doesn't do that and it melts from here, guess what? I'm already in trade. I'm already in with a small position. I'm not in a full position because I know the stop loss is gigantic. But I want to be in here because it's so close. I want to be in there already in case it does just tank. Then I catch some pips. I can close out here, perhaps leave a runner, and then look for these buys. All right. So I've already accepted the fact that this is the stop loss, and that amount of pips is what it is. I'm not going to cry over it. I just want to be in there. Because let's be honest, guys, a lot of people are going to be taking this break right there, and they're going to put their stop loss there, which is fine. If that breaks, guys, then you damn well better believe I'm not going to hold my stop loss all the way there. I'm immediately going to start bringing my stop loss down. So then this trade is no longer that shitty. This is almost a 3-to-1 now, right? And I want to target this order block down here. So more or less this area there. Okay, so it's not the best, but as this thing starts to tank off, I could very easily move down or protect rather quickly. I just want to have it up here for now in case I catch that second entry. This is a small lot size. This is the full lot size up here. All right, so I'm all good with that. So that's the 3, guys. I'm not going to go super long tonight. I don't see anything on NAS. I don't see anything on 30. And I'm willing to short gold. I'm already in the trade, and I have a limit set. I'm going fishing tomorrow, guys. Fuck, you know what I mean? That's what it is. Got the boat. I've already got the boat in the driveway. We've already got it gassed up and ready to go. took 2 L's today. Call it a week. Fucking regroup. Come back to next week. So it is what it is. Hey guys, appreciate you stopping by. Appreciate you watching. Please like, please subscribe, all that good stuff. Please comment if you have any comments. You have any questions? Please leave it in the chat. I'll do my best to get to it. I try to check comments every day, but sometimes it's hard doing all the other things that I have to do. So that's the market outlook. I'm sitting on my hands 30, and Naz, the trade was today. Probably going to go sideways tomorrow. Look for sell.